start. So we get this like a jazz guitar, first act. I'm gonna go ahead and start repair. I'm gonna take off the strings, replace the strings. I'm gonna glue this crack back on. It's very flimsy right now. I'm gonna glue that back up. I'm gonna polish it down, and yeah, we'll see what we can make this thing look like. Okay, as you see here, get this off. I'm gonna go ahead and polish everything in here. As you can see, where the pick guard used to be. This is the pick guard. You can see the craftsmanship they put by not making sure that it wouldn't chip, by putting tape over it when they're drilling it, or using caution. You can also tell that they come up a bit from the fact that they probably just drilled it straight in there. Didn't even worry about pre-drilling before putting the screws in there. It's actually really crazy. You can see they also didn't clean it up at all. That's all plastic from a pick guard, so you can definitely tell they didn't use very much craftsmanship. But it's a first act, so didn't expect Fender style stuff. You can see them all done. Wiping it all down. Now it's nice and smooth. I just oiled the fretboard. You can see it's still a little moist. Gluing the headstock back together. And while I was doing that, the nut fell off. Because all the glue was dry, whoa, what did I just say? Because all the glue was dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and super glue the nut back on. You can see there. Yeah, but it's starting to feel nice. It's starting to look like a real nice guitar again. With all the white pieces, I'm probably just gonna rub them down a little bit. I want to keep that vintage white look. You know, where it gets a little yellowed. That's always really cool to have. And yeah, we'll keep working on it. Okay, it's the next morning. I cleaned up the pickup. It's all nice, no longer dirty. Clean everything else up. I'm gonna do like a final scrub down. I oiled the fretboards. Now it's nice and moist. It's not super dry like it was before. And the headstock is nice and glued back together. It looks like nothing happened to it to begin with. I'm definitely gonna leave all the battle scars on here. You know, all these scratches and the dings and stuff. Just because it helps give the guitar some character. But this thing is definitely gonna look really clean when it's all nice and done. We'll take a look after it's all nice and done. Here we go. Here's the final product. All nice and glossy, shined up. Everything's nice and clean. Put everything back together. There was definitely a lot of dirtiness. I wouldn't say too much for repair was needed. The headstock was definitely super dirty though. So it was a fun thing to do. It didn't take me too much time. So I'm gonna go string this up and play it. Alright, so here we are. It's plugged in. Amp's not on yet, so I can get it all tuned up and stringed up first. I'm gonna be using these Ernie balls, 10 gauge. So yeah, let's go ahead and all the strings are on. Let's go and tune it up. All nice and tuned up now. Now, I haven't turned on the volume yet, the amp. So, the first time hearing this guitar, let's see what she sounds like. This is volume. That sounds good. Alright, so it sounds really good clean. You can tell. Sounds pretty good chords. Sounds good. I'm singular picking. I really like that. It's a little hot. But it sounds good. I really like it. I like it. There we go. Wow, I'm really impressed with this. I thought a first act would be a pretty bad guitar, especially from what I've heard. This thing is pretty nice. I really do like it. My only complaint, the frets are a little bit buzzy. The nut mix has some noise going to it. Other than that, it's really not a bad guitar. I'm going to switch over to a more distorted tone. Sounds pretty good, I like that. Power chord's pretty nice. To not get copy struck, I have to play only the first riff of the song. Just stop there. But this is pretty good. I only tuned it to E standard. I'm not gonna go. I could go tune lower, but the strings are already pretty loose. The tuner is stuck. It doesn't go lower. Yeah. So this is the first act, ME 506. I give it a 6 out of 10. It's pretty good. For its price, it's not a bad guitar. So. definitely been a while since I made that video. I feel like I'm better equipped now to rate this guitar. I've been playing it for a while. I really do like this guitar. The tone is really good. It's really chuggy. It does chug really good. You know, chug. I really do like it. It has good tone. I always keep I keep it up away. And just for that little bit that I want. You know. It just sounds really good. I really like it. I've been using it a lot for metal, and it's now in D standard. So like, yeah, I can play a bunch of nice old school death riffs. I definitely use this guitar a lot more than I thought I would, which is surprising. Just its range is really nice. Not sure if it's because of the pickups or because how how the amp sounds or something, but it does stand above a lot of my other guitars. Yeah, you get it. The distorted tone is great. The clean tone is great. Of course, I use it more for distortion because that's what I like playing. But sounds awesome for pretty much everything. I've already used this guitar to record a couple of songs, which are on the way. Yeah, look out for them on Friday. But I guess that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you want. Yeah. Keep shredding.